Hi, my name is Jason with FoxFury Lighting. We're going to do a brief overview of product numbers, serial numbers, and date codes for all of our FoxFury products. On this Nomad Now, you'll see on the back panel, there's some information. Product number or part number will give you the specific model number of the light that you have. A serial number will be a 4-digit code also printed on this information. The serial number identifies the unique unit of that model that you have. The date code is the date that the unit was manufactured. It's 4 digits. This one is 2116, meaning it was made the 21st week of 2016. I'm going to show you where you can find this information on the rest of our products. For our Nomad Primes 360s, T56 and P56 series, this serial number, part number, and date code are located around the base of the unit towards where the charging port is. For Nomad Now and N56, this information on product number, serial number, and date code is located on the back of the unit. Transformers are located around the base of the battery pack. Part number and serial number on our MF and PL lasers are located along the side of the unit. Rugo and R40s, part number, serial number, and date code are located on the battery pack. For our Breakthrough series, the part number, serial number, and date code are located towards the back of the unit, towards the bottom by the battery pack. Part number, date code on our Scout series are located along the clip. Date code for Command and Discover headlamps are located on the battery pack. Our Side Slide series, the part number and date code on the back of the unit by the power button. B30, B50, and B70 shield lights list date code on its battery pack. And our HHC part number and date code are located towards the back side of the unit. Really hope this video helped you out. If you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email.